guys, and welcome back to Fred Film. My name is Bob, and today we're going to have a race against a technical Lego remote control against the RC car. And I think the RC car is going to win. So let's get started. First up, it's this RC car. You can see. I like this because you can take off the rubber here and put it back on. Okay, let's have a look inside. So inside, there's the batteries, there's the motor. I love the red suspension, and that wire goes up to those LED lights, and it's really cool, isn't it? And I love the turning. Okay, so I like this one too because that's the turning thing, like on here, there. Also, there's 16 wheels, 8 on each side, and there's caterpillar tracks what are around the wheels. And you can see inside, it's really annoying how it takes six batteries, but it's still cool. First, there's a slide what they go down. Then they jump into the air. Then they have to go across here without touching the grass. And then I have to go up here. It's thinner, then gets thicker onto these pillows. Have to go on the pavement. Then across these logs. Then we push the ball all the way over to here. And then we're done. Let's race them! I just want to be very careful on this. Make sure I didn't fall off. It's quite hard. We're nearly there. We made it! Now for the other one. Also, we put a GoPro on here, but we're going to put it on just now. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, hit that friendly turn on notifications. Bye!